Assalamu alaikum students. So now we will start chapter number 25, that is coordinate system and graph. Coordinate system and graph. So coordinate system, you know that when you have a graph papers and on graph paper you are making a separate system which is used for you can say for determining the position of an object. Okay, if suppose a bee is flying in your room, then how you will find out that how much the far he it is from you. Okay, if you want to find out the distance, if you want to find out the position of that bee, so how you will find out? You will find out by using coordinate axis. So in coordinate axis, we have four coordinates. Okay, four quadrant, we will say four quadrant. As you can see here, this is how you will make your coordinates, and in middle the origin is there. Okay, the origin is there. So, and this is no this center point O is known as origin, and these lines are known as coordinate axis, and this line is known as positive x axis. This line is known as positive y axis. Okay, and means if you are going on the right hand side, that means it is positive x axis. If you are moving upward at height, then it is positive y axis. Do always means whatever you want to do, that you can say that if you want to eat, so you always it's supposed to be that eat with your right hand. And that means if you want success, means if you will get success, so you will move at a high level, that means at height. Here it is minus x axis. Okay, if you will do any bad things, if you want to eat with your left hand, so it's considered to be as bad habits. So it is here minus x axis, and this is minus y axis. So like a number line, we have number line on the right hand side or positive numbers, and the left hand side or negative numbers. Similarly, we are having here also. Here it is 1, positive 1, positive 2, was it 3, 4, 5, up to so on. And here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, up to so on. Similarly, up also plus 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on. And here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, up to so on. I have made a graph paper. Now, these lines, the horizontal and vertical lines, are known as coordinate axes, and these horizontal and vertical line intersect at one point, that is known as origin. Okay, this done. Now the plane is known as the plane containing both the lines is known as Cartesian coordinate plane. Cartesian coordinate plane. Plane means this plane, you can say. So this is quadrant 1. Okay, we start from here. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, okay, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay, so remember like this it is like this. Okay, like first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth, clockwise. Not like this one, second, third, fourth. No, first, second, third, fourth. So you can see here that now I was telling you here only the sign. Here this is what all our numbers are in positive, and here also all numbers are in positive. If any number will lie between this in this on this first quadrant, so what will be the its you can say that sign, it will be plus and plus. Now here x-axis is negative and y-axis is positive. So negative comma plus. Always remember, you will write x-axis first. Okay, first I write the sign of negative, then y. Here it is negative and this is also negative, so you can write here negative comma negative. Here this x is y is negative but x is positive, so positive comma negative. Here also see I wrote first x-axis, so always wrote first x-axis then y-axis. That is known as ordered pair, like a comma b. A this pair, this is two numbers, you can the obviously this is a 2D. Okay, this is 2D, two dimensional. X and y axis are there two dimensions, so obviously we will represent any number in two pairs, or sorry, two numbers we will use, and that makes a one pair, and it is known as ordered pair. This is known as ordered pair. Now a comma b. A means what? That this is first we will represent this on x-axis, and b means what? This is represent on y-axis always. Okay, always. It doesn't mean that you cannot say like this that ma'am it is minus 5 comma 3, so minus 5 will be on y and 3 will be on x-axis. No, Not possible. Always first entry will go to the x-axis and second entry will go to the y-axis. Doesn't matter if 0 is there. Suppose if it is, you say, ma'am, 0 5 is there, so that means 5 is x-axis and 0 is on y-axis. No, 0 is on x-axis and 5 is point is on y-axis. Always first entry will go to the on the x-axis. You will first, if you want to, you can say, lie the points, or if you want to make points, so first you will make the points of x, then y. So this is what your ordered pair, and these are the quadrants, and these are the signs. Okay, I don't think so there is any problem in remembering the sign, because this is positive, this is positive, positive positive, negative positive, negative negative, or positive negative. Simple. Now we have this is known as ordered pair, and or you can say it is a coordinates. Coordinates also we can say this is coordinates. So